In front of me is Vivo Y97, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Albums and holding one of your photos you wish to get rid of from any album you want. Then hit Select All at the top left corner, and to keep some of your photos, just tap on them. To get rid of the rest, you need to click on Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!